Often referred to as the Queen of Hills, Darjeeling is a little town nestled quietly in the arms of the Himalayas, where every corner feels like a postcard. So in today's vlog, I am taking you along on a road trip. Hey, this is Meghna. Welcome back to my channel. So my journey started from Kolkata to New Jalpaiguri station via train. See you in the morning. The morning light gently painted the sky in soft shades of blue. From the train's window, endless green fields rolled like a moving painting all over. The cool breeze, the calmness of dawn, and the quiet excitement of heading toward the hills. Moments like this make every journey feel magical. And then came a very special moment, watching the tricolor rise high on Independence Day. A reminder that every journey feels even more meaningful when the air carries freedom and pride with it. Then we started our journey from Siliguri to Darjeeling via a scenic route. The journey itself is as iconic as the destination. These roads may test your patience with their endless curves and uphill climbs, but they are also full of life. Just along the way, the mist slowly crept in, wrapping the tall pine trees in a dreamy veil. What was a bright, clear day just moments ago turned into a scene straight from a film. Mysterious, calm, and breathtakingly beautiful. Every breeze carried the mist further, softening the landscape and blurring the edges of reality. It felt like time itself has paused here, inviting us just to breathe and take in all the magic. Of course, the journey is not always smooth. We had to stop midway, caught in a long weekend traffic jam. Traffic jams, narrow lanes, and sudden roadblocks are part of the daily here. But strangely, this delay made the journey even more meaningful. The scenery around us was just so breathtakingly beautiful. We often neglect the things in the journey and focus on the destination itself, but moments like these, they remind us the journey itself has beauty worth stopping for. We have to go here for the roads ahead. Eventually the roadblock cleared and we're on our way again after a 2-hour delay.
Let me tell you what I saw today.
And finally on the late afternoon we had reached Darjeeling. This is our hotel. The reception area has great views of the valleys below. This is our room. I was traveling with my family, so we had booked this family room. So after resting for a while, we went out again in the evening. The weather has turned chilly by then. By that time, the evening vibe is already setting in. Mall Road is the heart of it all, busy, colorful and always buzzing. You've got tourists strolling, locals catching up, the smell of fresh coffee in the air, shops filled with woolen souvenirs, and the kind of trinkets you'll find only here. After all the walking and exploring, nothing beats slipping into a cozy cafe. And Darjeeling does have some incredible ones. Serving freshly brewed coffee, hot chocolate and of course the infamous Darjeeling tea. We went to this one. It is a cute boutique shop on the Mall Road itself. Sitting by the window with a cup in hand, watching the world go by outside. It's the perfect way to end a long day here. And after that very much needed dose of coffee, we went back again to the Mall Road for window shopping. I saw this shop Golden Tips, a renowned shop that sells Darjeeling tea since 1933. So that was a day in Darjeeling, the bumpy, beautiful road trip, mall road, and a warm cafe to wrap it all up. Stay tuned for episode 2 of Darjeeling, and if you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more travel stories. Until next time, keep exploring. Bye bye.